What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here once again with another video just for you, and today we're going to go ahead and make a review on the Mountune front-mounted intercooler. Let's go ahead and take a look. And there it is, peeking through the bumper. It looks great, performs great, but a pain in the ass to install. I say it's a pain in the ass to install because we had to do a couple of modifications. When we installed it, we expected it to fit properly, but unfortunately that's not the case. Not a big deal because the performance that you gain from it is everything. Alright, you guys, so I'm currently at the gas station waiting to fuel up in line at Costco. There's always a line here for whatever reason. Their gas, of course, is great quality here in California, probably the best around. Unfortunately, they only have 91. There's not many places in California, or at least the Central Valley, that do have 93. So that sucks for me. But let's get to this review on the Mountune front-mounted intercooler. So let me go ahead and start off by telling you that I've been running the front-mounted intercooler for a while now with the AutoTune. Not that I don't have a tune now, but when I first installed the intercooler, I didn't have my cob access port yet. So I was running it without, and it made a big difference actually. I could feel the power gain. It was definitely noticeable, and wait till you get a tune. Alright, you guys, so I actually just finished getting gas, and I was mentioning earlier, I was running the front-mounted intercooler without a tune, and obviously there's going to be a performance gain. How much? Really, I can't tell you how much because I don't know. I didn't put it on a dyno to compare, but it's a significant amount. So I'm currently on my way to pick up my daughter, but I want to just tell you guys that with the tune, my tune's not even complete yet, but my car feels so much different. I can really notice the difference now with the front-mounted intercooler. So overall, the Mountune front-mounted intercooler definitely changes the overall driving experience that you get with the RS. So I'm definitely happy about that. Definitely happy with my purchase, and definitely happy with Mountune. They created a great kit with the B7 package, which I'll make an overall review over the whole package. In my opinion, the Mountune front-mounted intercooler is the best front-mounted intercooler on the market for the RS. Not only is it thicker than most other ones, but it looks better than most other ones. I went ahead and got the Mountune logo sprayed on there in the nitrous blue color. It makes that intercooler pop, it makes it stand out. Grabs a little more attention in my opinion. It did cost $40 for them to spray it. It is a 2-day thing for them to do it, so if you do order one, be prepared to wait an additional 2 days for them to complete the painting process. Alright, you guys, I think that pretty much sums up today's review on the Mountune front-mounted intercooler. So if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and in the comment section below, make sure you let me know what route you would have gone for your front-mounted intercooler for your RS. Maybe you would have gone with the ETS, maybe the CPE, or hopefully you would have even stayed with the Mountune one like I made that choice. So, on that note, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I'm checking out.